Has been a long ass time since I've organized my Procreate folders, and it's gotten crazy. My life is crazy, crazy. My life is crazy. So I usually would do month by month. Like, these are my completed works on this month. But I just gave up. But I need to snap back into it because it's getting what? Crazy, crazy. My life is crazy. Okay, so first let's start with all the mock-ups. I have like an art mock-up folder, but it's way down here. Did I miss it? Okay. Put you in there. Jeez. I don't even know if it worked. Okay, well, we're just gonna assume that worked. My life is crazy. I wish there was a more efficient way to do this, but it's my fault for taking so damn long to do this. How do you guys organize your shit? It's probably like so much data. I need to buy one of those, what is that called? Like external hard drive. How many mock-ups can one bitch have? A billion. Okay, so we're gonna... I even have duplicates of the same mock-up. It's probably... Oh, I didn't mean to put you in here. You know what? We're just gonna leave you in there. I'm not even gonna fight it. You want it to be there, you gotta be in there. Okay, another mock-up. Can I just combine these two and then put it in a folder? Hello? We're just gonna do that. Okay. A folder within a folder within a folder within a folder. Like one of those babushka dolls, those Russian dolls. My life is crazy, crazy. Oh, it does work. Okay. Loves. I love that. Love. Okay, where are the other mock-ups? We're gonna cluster you together like a fabulous blood clot. Clotalina ballerina. Have you seen those videos of ballerinas' feet? Those poor girls. All I can say is, ouch. Ouch. What's the age limit for becoming a ballerina or ballerino? Is it too late for me? Please. Okay, is that all? But no, not all the mock-ups. We have this mock-up. We'll combine you here. We have this mock-up. We'll take you down here. No, I want you with the other ones, not next to the other ones. Hello? Go in there. Okay, then this one here. Augen hier bitte. There we go. And then we take this clot. I should stop calling it clot. No, I'm gonna do what I want. Okay. Is that all the mock-ups? think that might be all the mock-ups that were rogue. Are there some lower? No. Okay, what month is it? It is currently late October, so I'm going to create a folder. I'm just going to put them all in completed in October, but I've done a lot since then. But that's just what we are going to label this as. And I like to leave artworks that I'm still working on not in a folder, but for these completed ones, we're gonna do that. In you go. I lost the folder. Oh, okay. We're gonna say completed. Title it completed. Completed Octobre 2024. Oops, I put 2025. Whatever. Time is an illusion. Okay. These are completed. Oh my god. I'm so not smart. I could have just selected all of those. Oh my gosh. I'm such a dingus diva. Okay, pew, pew. You. Oh, I have a June folder. Oops. Oh, and I have a commissions folder. Okay, we'll wait for you for that. You. I need to delete your ass, but we're keeping you. You. Working on you. Commission. Okay. But can I put these all in one folder? If I accidentally hit duplicate, I'm gonna cry. Okay, can I drag these all selected into the October folder? Oh my god, yes. That just saved me some time. Okay, we're looking a little better. Okay, where's my commission folder? Okay, let's get all the commissions on one. Commission. That are complete. You. Where's the, oh, there's the commission folder. But that's so far up. Okay. Don't let go. Commission. Wahoo! Okay, it's looking a little less wacky-jacky. Okay, these are ones that I'm working on. I don't know why this is even here. I also have like a random folder. Let's get the randoms. Let's go randoms. Let's take you randoms away. Random. Okay. And that goes into Flop City folder, which is full of unfinished art and random things. We'll do you as well. Obviously, I cannot show 90% of these things, so I'm gonna have to figure out how to blur. If I didn't, oh my god. Okay, the Flop City folder. In you go. Gorge. Oh, we have some more random stuff. You. We'll just put you in there. You. This is like pricing stuff. Maybe that should have its own. No? Yeah. Okay, you go in the random. In you go. Oh, this feels so much better. Is this how Marie Kondo feels? I don't know. I haven't seen anything about her. Hope she's okay. I heard she gave up on her mission. She's like, you know what? F it. And I love that. Sometimes life is very, you know what? Who cares? You're random. Working on you still. Oh no. I lost the random folder. Oh no. What is even this? What is going here on this day? Oh no, how do I go back? Okay, go back. Okay, here we are. In you go, indigo. Okay, working on you. This folder completed in June. That's great that I found that. I like thought I lost a whole month's worth of work. I'm like, what did I do? Did I just delete that randomly? Apparently not. And then these. You will go in here. Pew. Lovely. You are completed. What are you still doing out here, love? I'm gonna drag you all the way to October. I love October weather. I can't stop moving or else it'll like want to settle somewhere. Where's the October folder? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Why is that so far from everything else? This should be up here. This should be up here. Need to work on that. This should also be up here. Okay. Mocked. Commissions. Okay. I don't know what this stack is. Oh, I just didn't name it. We'll just leave it like that. Oh no. Okay. Ugh, messed up something. But this feels a whole lot better. You can go here. No, not next to it, into it. Okay, now let's organize the folders we have. Put you here. Okay, mock-ups, completed October. We need to put that with the completed stuff. So we put you here. Don't go inside. Okay. Okay. These are completed. Random stack, commissions, flop and random. Gallery strolls, unfinished. Currently working on, currently. That's good enough. We're just gonna, that looks so much better. It's like cleaning your room. Okay, au revoir.